Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Scorpios. So these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Scorpios, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards here. We have Fool, Sun, and Chariot. So in your situation, guys, Scorpios, it may be in your career situation or in your relationship. You are someone who has faced a lot of trials, you have a lot of experience, and you have learned so much from your life experience, and you know what you need to do today, guys, and you are fearless and you are skilled, talented, ready to take on any situation. And that is what is happening today. Even today you are facing many obstacles, lot of stressful situation, but you are handling it fearlessly, guys, and you are ready to face anything to succeed in life, and you have that confidence and determination in your heart, and that is what is going to take you towards success. And you are enthusiastic, cheerful, the way you approach any problems. Maybe sometimes people may see you as someone very impractical, but your cheerfulness is just what to say, it is so inspiring to the people around you. It makes you take any risk, and you are someone who has that deep trust in yourself, and you are learning so much, and you have learned so much from life, and that is what is making you cheerful today, ready to face your situation courageously with that stern determination and perseverance, guys. And Scorpios, with this card here, guys, whatever troubles that you are facing today in life, it may be troubles in your relationship or troubles in your career situation, whatever it is, you are going to overcome all that, and things are going to fall into place for you all, guys, because this is the card for good luck, and you are going to feel really happy, feel that gratitude in your heart for your situation, guys, Scorpios. That is what I see, guys, with this card. So your relationship is going to flourish, and in your career things are just going to flourish, and things are going to reach, give that results as you had expected for you, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Ace of Air. So with this card, guys, in your relationship today, maybe you are seeing some coincidences, guys. Things are moving so fast and gaining momentum between you both. Maybe you like this person, you want to take the next step, and this person is coming even before you making that next step. They are coming towards you. Maybe they are announcing engagement or marriage. So some kind of destiny or fate is working in your life today, guys, Scorpios, and things are falling into place for you in your relationship also. I see a very positive energy, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. So for your career situation, guys, you have lots of dreams, and you're pursuing lots of dreams, and you are taking the right actions, but certain things are not in light, certain things are in the shadows today, maybe, but it is coming to you at the right time, guys. That is what I see, guys, Scorpios, with these cards. If you want more clarity, Scorpios, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation and close your eyes. Meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is your first card for those who chose this card. Such a beautiful card here, guys. 1. So this card just means that each and every one of us, we are all part of that divine spark, guys. So just like a gold chain or an ornament is made out of gold, molten gold. So that molten gold is the origin, and that in the situation that we may compare that to universe or God or higher power, and the ornaments are us. So it is the same thing. So what comes out of it is the same as what is there in the beginning. So all of us have that divine spark in us, and we need not fear whatever is happening in our situation. We need not worry, because we have that divine energy in each and every one of us. So whatever is manifesting in our life is our own doing, guys, and we need not have any fear or worry or apprehension because of that. So we need to understand that. And the appearance of this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are in some kind of confusion, something is worrying you today, and something is really weighing heavy on your heart, and you are in some confused state. You don't know which path to take up, whether to go for this path or that. But you need to understand that whatever is the right thing or whatever will be the right choice will come to you on its own, guys. You need not worry, and it will find you drawn to it. That choice will will attract you, and you need not worry or have any feelings of fear today, guys. No need to get confused, and this choice will come to you, so you need not worry about it. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So all that is supposed to happen will happen at the right time, guys, and nothing bad will ever happen to us, because we are all part of that whole, whatever you call it, God, universe, or that higher power. So nothing will ever go wrong for us. Everything will be perfectly all right in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what it is. It is time to go. So this card may on the outright you may think that this card stands for a breakup or some kind of separation, but in truth, guys, it is just that emotional detachment. That is what is happening today, guys. That release you feel emotionally to something, some situation or a person. So you are in a situation right now, you are unable to do anything for this person or for that situation, and you have taken stock of whatever you have learned, and there is nothing new you can add to that circumstance. and your suggestions or ideas or your presence is no longer needed. So you need to understand that your journey or your part you need to play in this circumstance has come to an end. So that does not mean that it is this relationship is moving towards a breakup. You need to give up your attachment you have on this person, guys. Go for that emotional release. So if you love something or someone, you just need to let them go, guys. And if that person comes back, it just means that they love you and this connection is meant to be. But if they do not come back, it just means that this relationship was never meant to be. So if you want something deeper, if you want a more deeper, emotional, perfect, compatible relationship, and you want that clear understanding, you need to walk away, take a step back. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. That is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.